Hi everyone, this is Nilesh sir again. Especially I'm working in a Nanda English School as a physical instructor. I'm working over there as a senior physical instructor, and mostly I'm having my personal coaching academy called National Cricket Academy. And this video has been made for the students, for those who are learning from me in school. And basically I'm making this video which is the basics of the cricket. In this we are going to learn out how to go and play the basics, how to do the basic drills in the cricket, because basic drills are the main drills which will be mostly the first step which will be useful in your cricketing life. If you want to be a good cricketer, you have to go with the batting shadows, and today we are going to work out on the batting shadows only. Batting shadows, there are basically 6 type of batting shadows. In that, first is front foot defense, then back foot defense, then front foot drive, back foot drive. These 4 are the main basic shadows which is really very important in this cricketing career. If you're making a career, then comes with the shots, square cut and pull. These are 2 basic shots, but instead of this there are too many shadows and shots we can develop. Sweep shot is there, every shot needs a shadow, but these 6 are the basics. So today, first of all, we are going to go with this only. I'm having some of my students, those are going to perform on my command, so they are going to just do the shadows. First we are going to see all the 6 basic shadows, then I'll be showing you the main basic shadow, front foot drive and front foot defense, how to perform it. And then afterwards we'll be having a little bit skill where we'll be just driving a ball, and we will be going in the running between wicket also. It will actually, this video is not just with the basics of the skills only. This is a multitask drill where I'll be going with your multitask. Okay, so now front foot defense. Okay students, be ready now. You have to perform front foot defense. Okay, ready guys? Chalo, stance. 1, 2. In this 2, whenever you guys are performing this 2, your bat should be at a perfect angle. Don't make a backlift high. Nobody is going to take a high backlift. This is a sufficient backlift for you. Okay, then 3. In 3, whenever you are going down, just balance yourself. This bat should be 2 to 3 inches away from the ground, 2 inches away or 3 inches away from your leg pad. Okay, and whenever you are making a defense, everyone, the ball is going to hit over here and ball is going to roll over here, so you have to look at the ball. Your vision should be towards the ball only. आपको आपके बॉल की तरफ ध्यान देना है कि बॉल बैट को लग के किस तरफ जा रही है, आपको उस पे ध्यान देना है. Got it everyone? Back. Now back foot defense, second shadow. Okay, stance. Stance means tap your bat. Tapping your bat is stance. 1. In 1 position you should be properly like this only. This is a proper 1. Remember, यहाँ पे आप इधर नहीं, इधर नहीं, इधर नहीं, इधर नहीं. ये आपके वेस्ट लेवल पे. It should be at your parallel to your waist level. It should be coming from the first slip. It should not be, the toe of the bat should not towards the keeper or second slip or third slip. Mostly the best batsman should have a toe towards the first slip. It should be pointed towards the first slip. Okay, 2. Now when we are performing a back foot defense, first we were doing with the front foot defense, so we have taken a front foot out. Now we will be going on the back foot. We have to put the load on the back foot. Here you have to go with this back foot. Whenever you are going on the back foot, you have to put your pressure totally on the back foot toe, where your bat will be coming at this angle, then the ball will be pitched over there, that ball will be coming at this angle. You have to just defend that ball. Okay, 3. This is a perfect 3. Bat, middle of the bat should be in your stomach, where the ball is going to hit and it will be falling down here only. If your bat is going to be straight like this, the ball will be hitting over here and the ball will be tossed in the air for the catch. The bowler will be ready to take the catch. So always keep a bat like this. Head should be little bit down, eyes towards the ball. Okay, back. Now similarly, same, we will be going with the front foot drive. Okay, front foot drive. Okay, ready guys? Stance. 1, 2. Now remember, when we are doing 3, at the time of 3, you are going to not stop the bat over here. You guys are going to make a follow through. You will be giving the ball a punch. Okay, 3. Now you can see that you have punched the ball. The ball is going to be driven in the ground like this at the covers area. So your vision should be towards the ball only. आखिरी तक बॉल को देखना है. जो rules है, cricketing rules. Watch the ball till the end. It should cross the boundary. Got it? Back. Now similarly we'll be performing a back foot drive. Okay guys? Stance. 1. Same. Back lift. 2. 3. In first time we have stopped the bat over here to just stop the ball. It was a defense. Now we have driven the bat. We have shown the direction towards the ball. So it is called a drive. Okay. So back. Next one now. Now square cut and pull. Okay. First we are going to perform square cut. In square cut, most generally we will be going on the back foot and we will be rolling our ball. The ball whichever is coming away from your body. जो short ball होते हैं. Short pitch ball is coming away from your body. First of all, we have driven and defense the ball, those are coming on our body. Now the ball, those are away from our body, we are going to hit it. It is called square cut. And the ball which is going to come at a little bit good height towards the close to the body, we will be pulling it towards the leg side. Square cut will be played in the offside. Okay? Chalo, ready? Stance. 1. 2. See now you have gone towards the ball. मैंने जैसे आपको बताया था कि आपको बॉल पे जाकर खेलना है, तो अभी आप लोग बॉल पे जा रहे हो. ओके, so you are going on the ball and now you are going to roll the bat over here. Why to roll? Because when you are going to roll, the ball is at this level. When you are going to roll the bat, the ball will be keeping down only. If you are not going to roll it and hit it directly, that ball might be carried in the air and you might get out. That's why. Okay, 3. Good posture. Shabash. Back. Now the last sixth one shadow. Pull. Okay. Chalo. Stance. In pull also similarly you have to roll, but you will be rolling towards the leg side. Okay. 1. 2. 3. This is called pull. Okay. Pull and square cut, both the things are similar, but what is the main thing? We play pull when the ball comes short at the body level, and we play square cut when the ball comes pitched at the short level, but it comes away from the body. Okay, so mostly we are going to go with the basics of the front foot drive and defense, these two shadows, because मेन बेसिक जो क्रिकेट का वही होता है कि हम लोग जनरली खेलते हैं, जो बचपन में बच्चे करियर स्टार्ट करते हैं, एवरीवन डाउन बेटा, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट द करियर वी हैव टू होल्ड अ पोस्चर like this. So when we start the career at the early age, that time basically we need the first shadow is been taught by each and every ground level coach is front foot defense. Then it comes into a front foot drive. Okay. Now as you have seen that we have performed 6 basic shadows, but the main one is front foot drive and defense. Here you can see a batsman is standing, he is going to perform front foot drive and defense. First he is going to make a defense. You can see I've kept 5 green color cones. One is on leg side, one is at the straight one is at the off one, mid off, then covers and this extra covers. These are 5 drives where he is going to perform drive, because whenever a bowler is bowling, he is never going to pitch you at a cover level only. It might be a good level at the straight one, so you know you should play a straight drive. It depends upon the pitching of the ball, where the ball is pitched, which one drive you are going to play. So first one will be on drive, then straight drive, then off drive, then cover drive, and then extra cover drive. Okay, so these are the 5 basic drives. So we are going to perform this 5 basic drives, and same thing we can go with the defense also. Now Abhishek, you are going to perform, first you are going to make a defense to each and every one cone, then you are going to perform a drives to each and every cone. Okay. Now you can see that Abhishek, he is going to make a defense stance. 1. Now see at his face angle, again the bat, he is having a perfect angle of a bat, then face towards the bowler where the bowler is going to pitch. Now he is going to take out his leg. If the bowler is pitching towards the leg side, कभी कभार ऐसा होता है जनरली कुछ बॉलर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं जो लेग स्टैम्प पे भी बॉल डालते हैं और स्विंग जनरेट करते हैं. To face and defense towards that ballers, he should be ready for that thing. So first he is going to make a defense towards the onside. Okay, 2, 3. Now this is a front foot defense. Okay, back, stance, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see I've kept a ball over here. Now he's going to make a defense towards this side. Back abhi, stance, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see a ball is kept over here which is going to pitch over here. The ball is going to pitch, and after pitching it will be coming and straight away hitting towards here. When it has been hit, you can see after hitting the ball will be always down, and if the bat is going to go little bit further towards the, if the bat is going to go further towards the leg, then the ball is going to be go in the air. So that's why it should be at this angle only, okay, to make a perfect defense. Okay, back, stance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, back, stance, 1, 2, 3. Back. Now he has performed 5 defense. Now he is going to make 5 drives in 5 directions, same similar directions where you can do the drives also. If it depends upon the pitching of the ball, I'm telling you continuously this word, I'm using this word pitching on the of the ball. Why? Because if the bowler is going to pitch further, then the batsman is going to not leave him, he's going to hit him harder. And instead of hitting, we are best, it's the best to drive the ball properly. Just utilize the pace of the bowler. Whatever the pace the bowler is generating, just give a proper direction to that ball is called driving. So he is going to perform drives now. Okay, stance, 1, 2, 3. Now see, when he is driving the ball, that time he is generating a punch over here. The ball is going to be hit and it will be going down only. It will be driven down towards the boundary line. Okay, back. It was a onside. Now he is going to play a straight drive. You are in a straight angle now. You can see he is performing a straight drive. Stance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have seen that it was a straight drive. You have seen from a straight angle. Now you will be getting that how he is going to generate and how the batsman's follow through should be there. Back, beta. Stance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, back. It was a off drive. Now he is going to do a play towards the cover, which is the 4th one. Stance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, shabash. Now the last one, extra covers. Okay, stance, 1, 2, 3. Okay, back. Now this was the basic skill where we have learned how to drive a ball and how to defend a ball when the ball is pitched further. Because in generally cricket, if a batsman can survive, a player can survive, or a batsman can survive, and he can take out a match by only one shadow, which is called front foot defense. In test matches, it's a match of 5 days. If you're perfect in defense, you can stay longer on the wicket, and if you're holding a one end properly and perfectly, that time the second end a batsman can hit and drive and he can make a good score. Now I'm going to show you a skill which is used, means first of all I've told you that this is a basic skill, so upon it a second skill come, which will be a driving and running. Because if you're going to drive the ball and you're going to drive a ball at a good angle, when the ball will be going at angle, you should know how to run also. So I'll be making it a multitask drill where I'll be using this also. The batsmen are going to hit, drive, and they are going to run and take a run. Okay, so same thing we are going to perform. I'm showing you the same, we'll be continuing this video at that side. Okay, now as I've told you that this student, I've shown you with this help of this student that how to make 6 shadows. Then I've shown you a perfect shadow and defense of 5 varieties of single shadow, which means that each and every 6 shadows are having different angles, where we'll be performing other angles also. But right now we are working out and we are showing the basics of front foot defense and drive. I've shown you there are 5 types of front foot defense and 5 types of drives also. Now with the basic skill, I've told you that how to survive in a test match. If you want to survive in a test match for a longer time period, you should know the front foot defense and drive. Now you can see an example of that. I'll be just going to release the ball. This guy is going to hit the ball and he will be running away. That means play, run. It's first of all, only I've told you it's a multitask drill. And why I'm performing this multitask drill? Because you can learn each and everything in a short time video only. क्योंकि इसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा लेंदी वीडियो बनाऊंगा तो आप लोगों को भी तकलीफ होगी, इसके लिए शॉर्ट वीडियो में मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, कम ऑन साइड, टेक आउट योर फ्रंट फुट. Now you can see how he has driven the bat, how he is running. That is also important. Now next one, chalo next one. Now see the angle, how they are looking. They are just facing towards the ball. They are showing the follow through of them. They are making a perfect run towards the non-striker. Now the especially juniors are going to. This both were the seniors, though have performed very well, but now it's turn of juniors. Okay, junior. Good shot, shabash. Same thing, she has also performed. Watch the ball properly, beta. Shabash. That's like a good boy. Now in this skill you have seen that how they were standing, made a proper posture, they have taken out the front foot, they have hidden the ball and then they have run in this same three. Because what is the basic of running? It's a 100-meter race where we go, get set, ready, steady, go. We use these words, commands, because this is a proper angle to sit, start and move. So same thing, when they are going on front foot, they are driving the ball. This is the starting position, and in this only if they are taking a shoot, running shoot, that will be really benefited for you. So that's why I've shown you this thing. Now I'll be arranging a field over here where these two guys are going to play. They will be running in between, they will be going cross towards they will be changing the strike also. Others are going to field, where I'm going to show you that how this basic skill is being used and how to practice at this basic skill. Okay, now just have shown you how to make a front foot drive. Now we will be going with the basic skill where we will be running also, we will be changing the batsman. Now they are going to just tap, drift the ball and then they are going to run, change the ends. So just watch this drill properly. Come on Abhishek.
Yes.
That was a good call from him. So you can hear the calls of the batsman. They have crossed the change also. Now the batsman, next batsman is there, Sahil is there. Come on Sahil.
Yes.
This is a practice session where if you are going to do this practice continuously and if you are going to perform it continuously, so it will be making your drives perfect, calling perfect, as I have shown that it's a multitask drill. So next again.
Yes.
Now it was a slower. Now he has not driven the ball, he has just defended the ball, he has pushed it a little bit with a little bit punch and then he has taken a single run. Now he is going to drive it harder. You can see. You can see how these guys are driving the ball in the proper areas. You can see that covers, mid-off, everywhere. Extra covers, mid-off, mid-on. Mid-on will be coming this side, but they are not going to drive it on mid-on.
Yes.
Last ball.
Yes.
Come on, one more. Just make a defense now.
Yes.
Now, even if after making a defense also you can make a run. It's not compulsory to drive and run only. So this was a basic skill where I've gone with each and everything. I've used mostly the multitask drill. And I've used most of the students to show you that how it's important. And it's really an important drill, because if you are going to perform this drill continuously, and if you're going to practice and practice, it will be making harder one, and you will be knocking a good knock in the scores also and matches also. Because whenever you're going to face a match, in a perfect match of 20 overs also, if you're going to face the balls, it's important, because it's compulsory to stay on the ground and face more and more balls. To play less ball and hit out and again you should be coming out, it's not a better way. आप कम बॉल खेलो, आउट होके बाहर आ जाओ, इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर वे. इससे अच्छा है कि आप बेस्ट दीजिए आपका, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्राउंड पे स्टे करने की कोशिश कीजिए. बिकॉज जितने बॉल आप ज़्यादा फेस करोगे और जितना आप ग्राउंड पे टाइम एक्सपांड करोगे, दैट विल बी इम्प्रूविंग योर शॉट्स. आपका विजन का परफेक्ट होगा, आपका टाइमिंग, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा, एंड इट विल बी ईजी टू फेस ईच एंड एवरी बॉलर, एंड यू विल बी परफॉर्मिंग इट एट योर बेस्ट लेवल. So it was enough, I think, so for you guys. So we'll be meeting up in the next video soon. Okay, bye, take care, have a nice day, beta.